All right, 3-4s. This week, we're going to review adding and subtracting using money. So if we look at our first question, it says $3.25 plus $1.50. So if you remember, we look at this as ones column, tens column, and hundreds column. So 5 plus 0 is 5. I'm going to go on to my tens column. 2 plus 5 is 7. Remember, I line my decimals up, and then I'm left with 3 plus 1 to get 4. And at the very beginning, I'm going to put my dollar sign, and my final answer is $4.75. Let's look at the next one. So you can see at the top it says with regrouping. So let's see what that means again. Starting in my ones, I have 5 plus 5. Well, I know 5 plus 5 is 10, but I can't write 10 down here. So I put my 0, and then I carry my 1 up in the tens column. I now have 2 plus 0 plus 1. And I know 2 plus 0 is 0, plus 1 is 3. Remember our decimal place, we line them up, and then our last step is over in what we call our hundreds column. So 3 plus 2 is 5, and we end with our dollar sign. So $5.30. Let's move down to the bottom two questions, subtracting. And I know we were getting really good at this before the break. So 5 take away 5 is 0. 3 take away 1 is 2. I stick with my decimal point in there, and I have 4, and I'm going to take away 1, which leaves me with 3. My dollar sign at the beginning, $3.20. And then my last one, which is a little tricky, but I know we were getting to be rock stars, is with borrowing. So that's when we need to knock next door and ask our buddy if we don't have enough. So if we start in our ones column, 0, take away 5. Well, I know I can't do that. So I'm going to knock next door. I'm going to ask my buddy to help me out, and he's going to lend me a 10. So my 8 becomes a 7, and my 0 now becomes a 10. So I have 10, take away 5, which I now can do, and it's 5. This is very hard to do. 7 take away 2 is also 5. Put our decimal in, and then we have 3 take away 1, and we're left with 2. Our dollar sign at the beginning, $2.55. So there's a quick little review, 3s and 4s on Canadian money and adding and subtracting. So I'm going to ask you to switch back over to our slides and work on the following questions that I left you. Have fun and try your best. I can't wait to see your responses.